Alright guys, so welcome to my today's video. Today is actually a giveaway day. So today is Saturday, so it's a giveaway day. So I'm giving out a free book. Yes, it's a free book on 4 most profitable internet business that you can actually do and start making as much as 5,000, as low as 5,000 to 20,000 every single day. So that's what I'm going to be sharing with you right away. So let's go into that. It's very simple. So let me just show you proof of that. You can see, so today this is 9:36 a.m. 7:36 a.m. 9:46, 9:36, 4:34, 4:34, 4 means very early this morning. And you can see yesterday 7/20/2020, October 7, October 7, October 6, October. So you can see the payment $17 in 20. I paid for a subscription right here. I paid for a service right here. So you can see $17 today, $17 today, $3 today. So you can see that's even just one of these is already more than 5k already. So imagine this is 2 already, and this is just 9:36 a.m. Now you can see, okay, yesterday October 7 there was nothing. October 6 you can see okay, payment to, okay, October 6 you can see 17, so on and on. You can see October 5 nothing, October 4 nothing. So you can see that at least when you on the average you get more than 5,000 for international stuff. So when we come to Naira again, to my local audience in Naira, you can see when you check through 5,000, 3,000, 4,000, 13, 4,000, payment receipt, you can see 3,000, 3,000, 3,000, on and on and on and like that. So that's exactly what I'm going to show you inside this free report, inside this free book. So this is the book I'm going to give you, 4 most profitable internet business that you can start today and make at least 5k to 20k every single day. So it's very simple. There's a link under this video. Just click on that link, then to bring you to this page. All you need to do is you can actually go through the page. Just just glance through the page. You will see there's a link under this video. Just click on the link under this video to check out the to get to this place. So once you are here, just come over here, enter your name right here. You need to enter your name here. Enter your name if it's John, and then your email address. Enter your email address, and then you click on the download button. Or you can use the other opt-in form right here. Enter your name here, John, and then your other name here, whatever name, your name here. So just click here. Then once you click on it, it will direct you straight to the page where you will download the ebook. Or just once enter your name and then your email address, then click on download. It will direct you straight to the download page right here. Congratulations. So you can now download the guide. So it's as simple as that. So go ahead, click on the link under this video, and then it's going to bring you to this page to download these reports all for free. You will discover these 4 internet businesses and how you can get started. You know, it's very easy, and you can see the proof there. And see there is a feedback right here. So you can actually go ahead, just click on the link under this video, and then you read this. I don't want to read it and waste your time. So read through you see the proof right here and the feedback from people, and then you get access to download this free report. It's something I do. It's something I do over and over and over and over again. So you too can get started with this if you are still struggling to get traction online. So thank you for watching this video. So if you are new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'll try my best every Saturday. I'll be bringing out free stuff for you guys, just to make sure you get traction online. You get results online. So if you have any question for me, you can ask under this video. Just leave a comment under this video, or you can connect with me on Facebook. Yes, I'm going to leave a link to my Facebook profile, so you can contact me on Facebook and ask me your question. Yes, all right. So and ask me your question. So just connect with me on Facebook. I would like to connect with you as well, so we can get to know each other better. So don't forget, you have a free book to download right now, 4 profitable internet business that you can start right away. So just click, you find the link is under this video. Just click on the link under this video, and then you get us, enter your name here and then your email address. I'm going to send a copy of this book to your email address, and once you click on download, you also have access to download this book instantly, even before the book arrives in your email address. So thank you very much for watching this video. My name is John Anavi Olore. So enjoy the rest of your day, and bye bye.